Deborah Andrew with the Elizabeth House. Deborah, can you tell me more about what is this Elizabeth House?
Yeah, Elizabeth House, we're a shelter program located in Pasadena. We take in women who are pregnant and who are also homeless or in a domestic violence situation. We've been around for 25 years, and we are just honored to partner in this community and be a part of reaching this unmet community need that we have.
Can you share at least one or two stories about how Elizabeth House really helping the people here in the community? Yeah.
So we've had recently a woman came to us, and she had been a drug addict for since she was 14. And she was 18 or 19 when she came to us. She hadn't graduated from high school. She was pregnant. She had the drug history, and she also had no place to go. Her mother was a drug addict as well. And we took her in, and we helped her get her GED. We helped her move forward through our scholarship program, and she delivered a beautiful. Her baby is right over there. That picture.
Oh, that picture there? Oh.
So she got her GED, and now she's in school to be a drug counselor.
Wow.
So she really turned her life around, and we helped support her to find new housing and to move forward.
What's your biggest need now at the Elizabeth House?
Oh, it's always money.
But what's the biggest, like if there's one thing that makes the most impact, what would it be?
Housing. If we could find housing for our women.
What do you mean when you say that?
Like, if they could afford to live, in Pasadena, we would be able to stay connected to them. Housing and jobs for the women.
When you say housing, what do you mean? Like a place?
If they could afford to rent.
Okay.
If we had a apartment building or something like that, and we could, provide supportive services for them while they moved into another place. And support themselves. So yeah, that's a big need.
So I just want to make sure I understand. So Elizabeth House, you help people to connect to housing and job.
Yeah, but we take them. So we have two houses. That's one house, and this is one house. And they stay there for as long as they need to after their babies are born. And then we help them with all their situations, whether it be evictions or their credit history, or if they've had warrants out for their bench warrants for their arrest.
So this is kind of like the temporary housing until you get them to stand up on their feet.
That's right.
I see. And then when you say housing and jobs, that's when you want to let them free.
We want to launch them and send them out, but they can't afford it. So we don't want them to be dependent on welfare. It's not going to be there for them. And so we provide resources and referrals to help them move forward. We were thinking we collect Target cards to give to our women at Christmas and our kids when they have birthdays, or at Christmas time they could buy a present for their mom. So, one of the ways would be just a $25 Target card.
That's really good. So we can make a program, for example, for every person that you refer to our team, we are taking a portion of, we are taking a gift card to a house. So that's one way to do it. The second way of doing it is that we have a lot of clients here that buy rental property, right? So I want to make sure when you talk about housing, these are not people who rent for free, right?
They would pay, but the rent cost is so high.
We have to make it affordable. Okay. And is there any geographic location, or you are open?
We're open. We're pretty much open. Our support goes everywhere. Women come back to us for classes and mentoring and therapy.
What classes? Can you what programs are you having?
We have infant care. We have parenting classes. We have addictions, recovery. We have domestic violence, how to stay away from toxic relationships. We have job search training. We have budgeting for them, so that these are life skills that they need to move ahead.
All right, so what's the best way? So we're going to do a private tour. People in our team take a look at what you do, because we are not too far away from you. Right?
Yeah, come see us.
What's the best way? That's your phone number?
And the winner is Derek Pearson from Serve Pro.
Okay, thank you. We're going to do more stuff with you.
Thank you for sponsoring us.